Hello students, today in this class we will learn some important problem in indefinite integration. Let's try. So here this problem containing integration of this expression into some other expression dx. If you see the integrand, total integrand containing two expressions, one is with the radical exponent, other one is general expression. So whenever we try to solve the indefinite integration, we first try for basic formulas. Next we search for, if it is containing more than one terms, we search for f and f dash. So one expression should be f and other expression should be its derivative, so that it can be simplified. So I am trying in that way. If I consider this, if I treat it as x, f, its derivative is not x power 3m, x power 2m, x power m. So there should be some manipulations. In such cases, we try to manipulate the expression and get f and f dash results. So by seeing this, if I common one, common x from the first expression, we get x of x power 3m minus 1 plus x of x power 2m minus 1 plus x power m minus 1. It is getting it. And the second expression is 2 into x power 2m, as in the same case x power m plus 6 whole power 1 by m dx. Suppose if you transfer this into second expression, then it can be changed as I think. X power 3m minus 1 plus x power 2m minus 1 plus x power m minus 1 into, if I raise m whole power 1 by m. If I raise this way, then 1 by m, as it containing x power 1 by m, it goes inside the second expression. So that what happens here, x power m goes inside, then 2 into x power 2m plus m 3m plus 3 into x power m plus m 2m plus 6 into x power m. So whole power 1 by m dx. This is happening while introducing x power m whole power 1 by m. It x power m goes inside and it becomes x power 2m plus m 3m. Directly I write. So here 2 into 2 inside it. So now we try for, if I treat it as a t, let 2 into x power 3m plus 3 into x power m 2m plus 6 into x power m is equal to t or f. We can assume it. What is its derivative? 6m into x power 3m minus 1 plus 6m into, so 6m if you common, x power 2m minus 1 plus 6m again comes, it common, x power m minus 1 is equal to t. So but we need this one. So we can write introducing 1 by 6m and multiplying 6m into x power 3m minus 1 plus x power 2m minus 1 plus x power m minus 1. It is its derivative, and this is 2 into x power 2m, x power 3m plus 3 into x power 2m plus 6 into x power m whole power 1 by m dx. So as it is a t, it converts into 1 by 6m into integral of it is t power 1 by m into this whole thing dt. So simply, very simply, it is converted into t power 1 by m plus 1 by m plus 1. This is the result. So substitute t is equal to, put t is equal to, what is t? X power 3m minus 1 plus x power 2m minus 1 plus x power m minus 1. This is t. Substitute, simply we will get that.